Salut and welcome to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make the basic chevron bracelet. For this simple bracelet you'll need scissors, clipboard or something to pin it to like a pillow if you'd like, and string. Once you've picked your colors, you're going to measure them out to whatever length you desire and you're going to fold them in half and tie it with a knot. If you do 3 colors, it'll wind up being this size, but this size is if you do 4 colors. Tying the knot's pretty simple. You make a basic loop, take the tail of it and stick it through, and then pull tight. Once you have your string, go ahead and clip it in the clipboard. And with chevrons, depending how you mirror the strings is how you will get the pattern. So in these 2 bracelets, they're the same chevron, but with different string arrangements. For ours though, it's going to be pretty simple. I'm going to mirror the bracelets on each side, so there's a middle line, and on each side I'll have my darker purple, and I'll go lighter purple, and lilac in the middle. You can see there's that middle line that you want to mirror on each side. Now to start, we're going to start with the forward knot. So the forward knot, you're going to make a 4 with the string on the outermost side, and you're going to make a 4 over the second most outermost string. And so once you make that 4 as the shape you can see, you're going to take this tail of the string that's making the 4 shape, and you're going to take that string and tuck it under the lilac in the video, and you're going to tuck it under and pull through. Rule number 1 in bracelet making is to always double knot. So once you do your first forward knot, you're going to do it the exact same. And once you do that, the string should have switched places. If they don't, there's a mistake. So the darker purple, which was on the outside, is now on the inside. So the strings switch places, which is exactly what you want. Making your way to the center, you're going to do the forward knots again, only this time with the string that's in the middle. So you do 2 forward knots just as you did last time. After reaching the middle, you're going to switch to the other side and take the next purple string, and you're going to do the backwards knot. It's the forward knot but backwards. So you'll make a backwards 4 and tuck it through the loop and pull twice and do the knot twice as in, so that you always have that double knot, and the strings should switch places, and that is exactly what you want because you're going to make that curve into the middle. Then you're going to do it again to the next string until you reach the center. Once you reach the center, you should have 2 of the same colors there, and you can either do 2 backwards knots or 2 forwards knots. Anyways, the strings should switch places, and then you're all done. You're done with the first row. Don't be freaked out if the top looks weird. They will always start off a little weird, but it doesn't really matter because once you wrap it around your wrist, you won't be able to see where you start. So here again, you're going to just go through the strings like you did last time, doing forward knots into the center, then switch the sides and do backwards knots into the center, and then join the 2 in the center with either 2 forward knots or 2 backwards knots. sure that I'm making my bracelet long enough for my wrist, I'll take it off periodically and see how far or how much I have left to do. And to do that, I just wrap it around my wrist and see where the knot meets the end. This is long enough for me, so I will create a knot at the end, sealing in all of the knots. You can end your bracelet multiple ways, but what I do, I split the strings in half and I braid them each like so, or you can do a button. And so once you braid all the strings, you're going to tie a knot at the end, trim off the excess, and then you're basically done. Bracelet, I loop one of the braids into the loop like so, and then I will fit my wrist through the hole, tie tight, and tie 2 knots. And there you have it, the basic chevron. Now you can get creative with this in any way, changing the colors, changing how you set up the strings, and overall just have fun with it. Have fun, and I'll see you in another video. Au revoir!